you may be experiencing that inside your own organizations. When you're trying to implement AI, you're not necessarily getting that many results. So what's the difference? What's really going on? And Hannah spoke about some of these things, like, for example, how do you frame and solve the right problem, or how do you solve the right problem in the right way, or how do you bring more human and machine collaboration? In fact, I was reflecting on a conversation that I heard between someone and Peter Norvig. Now, Peter Norvig is the author of a book called AI, A Modern Approach. Now, the feature about this book is that it's the most widely read book on artificial intelligence ever. Right? It's also it is the most referenced book in computer science in the last 100 years. It's a very, very popular book, and he's writing the 4th edition, which is coming out right now. So the interviewer asked him as to what he thinks is different about this edition of the book compared to the previous edition, and he said the following. He said that, look, in the previous editions, we were focused on saying here, AI is about maximizing a certain utility function, which is, you know what the problem is. This is the definition of what you want to maximize. Let's say maximize accuracy or something like that. And next, and we have 27 chapters after this telling you how to do that, all kinds of different techniques. That was the first 3 editions of the book. But in this 4th edition, we are saying maybe the optimizing part is the easy part, right? The really difficult part is, what is your utility function, right? That's the question. We don't know what problem are we solving, and that's where all of the attention is shifted. And most of what Hannah has talked about is also about, what is my objective function? How can I frame the problem in a way that I don't make some really silly mistakes, right? But those silly mistakes are happening. And we are increasingly giving more and more of our control to algorithms. And now I want you to switch. And therefore, when you are thinking of solving those problems at an enterprise, you certainly have to bring in, how do I do much more of not just the algorithms, but how do I create the engineering and how the design and so on.